Welcome back to YouTube How To. I am your guide, Andrea Jean. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a premiere. I have done this multiple times on my largest channel so far, Andrea Jean Cleaning, with over 400,000 subscribers. But today we're going to do it on this new channel right here, Smart Fox ASMR. You can see I have not uploaded any videos. So if you are a brand new YouTube channel, this is going to be especially helpful for you, but helpful for anyone. So let's just go ahead and upload a video to get started. Since it has no subscribers, I have no fear about creating a premiere. I have some tips and tricks for you along the way as well. So we're going to go ahead and upload just a random video that I have here on my computer. In fact, this is a video that I created earlier for this particular YouTube How To guide channel. Let's just call it exactly what it is titled right here. I'm going to skip all the stuff that goes along in here. You can do this on the front end of your upload, or you can do it in the back end of your upload. I'm going to go ahead and click next, next, next. And here I'm going to go ahead, and the option for public is right here. And what you want to do is click set as instant premiere right here. If you have any questions, you want to make sure that you hover over this question mark. It says when you set your video as an instant premiere, you and your viewers can watch it together at the same time. Or you can go ahead and click schedule, and you can schedule your premiere. This is what most of you will likely choose. Now I'm going to go ahead and set as premiere, set up premiere, click that plus button right here. Now there's several options that YouTube allows you. This is going to show you how this theme will look and sound to your viewers. It will automatically play before your scheduled start time. Now it's the Premiere Classic because you could choose calm, you could choose funky, and your countdown length here is set from 1 minute to, let's just pick 4 minutes right here. I'm going to go ahead and click save. You can see right here, this is where I would go ahead and schedule my premiere. So let's just go ahead. Today is Tuesday, and we'll go ahead and pick a future time. And it is 5:30 in the morning. Well, I record this. I know you guys probably think that's insane. And then here in the bottom right-hand side, I will go ahead and click schedule. So let's go ahead and get that going, and I'm going to show you some little tips and tricks here right here. Here is your video link. You're going to want to copy this, especially if you want to share it outside of social media. Maybe you want to put it on Facebook, maybe you want to put it on Instagram, maybe you want to put it on Pinterest. Go ahead and click close right here, and you can see checks are still running because I just uploaded this, but this is what I want you to pay attention to. You can see right here it says premiere in the bottom right hand corner of the video, and this is what will also appear in the home page. Let's go ahead and take a peek at that now. You can see right here my only upload, my only video on this experimental channel right here is the premiere here in the bottom right hand side, and this is what it will look like. And this will also show up on people's home page. And again, it will say premiere, much like it says live now under this particular one. You want to encourage people to go ahead and set the reminder. It says receive a reminder when this event is scheduled to start. Your subscribers and those who have set the reminder will be notified right here in your notifications tab. It will be listed down below here. Let's go ahead and click that set reminder button, and you can see right here it changed to reminder on. And then here on the lower right hand side of the page, I got a little pop-up as well. Let's just go ahead and click in this because this is currently live. More specifically, the watch page is live. You can see right here in the right hand side, upcoming premiere, watch and chat live with other viewers. And you can see Smart Fox ASMR, that's me. I could go ahead and say something, hello everyone. Click that, go ahead and send that out. Yours will be highlighted at the top right here. You can add custom emojis, and you can also create a poll. This is really fun. Are you excited to be here? What is your most frequently asked question? Anything. The possibilities are endless. Let me show you one more thing. You can add an option if you would like more options than just the yes or no item right there. Those who have chosen to be notified of your premiere will get several reminders letting them know when the premiere is about to start. Now, after your premiere, your video will look like a regular old upload on your channel homepage, which is really nice. You can choose to have the chat replay on, or you can choose to have that hidden. Now, if I wanted to go ahead and delete this, I'm going to go into customize channel like I have shown you right here. I'm going to go over to content, and this option right here, you can change your visibility. You can see the drop down right here. This is where you could update anything that you wanted to. I'm actually going to go ahead and I am going to delete this forever. I like that YouTube double asks you right here to date. All right, click this video on screen now for some additional YouTube tips. Lots of freebies in the description box for you as well. Give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.